Welcome to this instructional guide. In this video, we'll walk you through how to install and use a mock-up of the RPD Training and Guidance Program on the SCORM Cloud Learning Management System, abbreviated as LMS. Please note, this is a mock-up version of the program. It doesn't include the full lesson content. However, it allows you to simulate the real training version when it comes to sending and receiving data from the LMS. This mock-up program ensures that training courses, such as RPD, Training and Guidance, Marine Operation of Jackup Units, and other similar programs from Interactive Training Solutions, are fully SCORM 1.2 compliant and work properly on your company's learning management system. We are testing this program on the SCORM Cloud website, which is widely recognized as the gold standard for SCORM package testing. For more information about this LMS, please visit their website. After a successful login, the first display lets you upload your training program. To load the program zipped package, we proceed as shown. Once the program is successfully loaded and the manifest passes validation, you're ready to launch. Here's the lesson menu for the RPD Training and Guidance program. Since this mock-up doesn't include the assets for the individual lessons, access to lessons 1 through 7 is currently unavailable.
This training program covers the main causes and effects of rack phase difference, RPD, including the related guidelines and management procedures for assuring safe and efficient operations. While this training program is applicable to all types of independent leg jackups, its main emphasis is on rigs with triangular legs and rack chocks.
Clicking the Score Manual button opens this screen. Here, you can simulate the score and question status for each lesson. Each lesson contains both primary and remedial questions represented by checkboxes, where checked means answered and unchecked means unanswered. To complete a lesson, all primary questions must be answered and the lesson must be fully viewed. Initially, when entering this screen, the scores are randomly generated with a passing value. In this example, the primary questions are marked as answered, while the remedial ones remain unchecked. This setup simulates a completed lesson with a passing score. To officially pass a lesson, you'll need a score of 70 or higher, complete all primary questions, and reach the end of the lesson. Of course, you can enter your own score values and question status to evaluate different setups. You can also exit a lesson partway through and return later to continue from where you left off. Before leaving this display, don't forget to submit the records by clicking the Submit button. Clicking the Score button brings up a detailed record of your progress, showing results for each lesson and the entire course. At any point during your training, you can print out your records. To print your certificate, you'll need to successfully complete the course. To exit the course, simply click the Exit button. You can also close the window by clicking the X in the top right corner on Windows, or the red circle in the top left corner on a Mac.
Once re-entering the course at later date, you can continue exactly from where you left. Notice how the LMS records the trainee's progress and results. On average, this course takes about 10 hours to complete. However, the exact time may vary depending on your knowledge and experience with the subject. Since the management system automatically tracks your progress and scores, you can complete the training at your own pace. There is no need to finish it all in one sitting. A printable certificate becomes available once you've successfully completed the course with a passing score. To help identify any potential issues, specific actions are being recorded in the console as you use the Mocup program. On a Windows PC, you can open the console log by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and I. On a Mac, press Command, Option, and I.